Car maintenance tips to help keep your vehicle in good shape. Properly maintaining your car is key to keeping it in top condition. It can also help ensure your safety, the safety of your passengers and your fellow drivers. Here are some ways to help keep your car running smoothly. Inspect and maintain tires. Knowing how to maintain your car's tire pressure can help reduce wear on the tires and helps ensure you're getting good gas mileage. Checking your tire pressure includes finding the recommended pressure, checking the PSI and inflating or deflating your tires accordingly. A flat tire is a hazard that can be dangerous to you and your car. There are several preventative steps you can take to help avoid a blowout, including rotating your tires every 5,000 to 10,000 miles and watching for tire recalls. Change the oil. Routinely checking and changing your car's oil is essential to keeping its engine in running condition. Check your oil each month and change it as directed in the car's owner's manual. You can change your oil yourself or take it to a service center. If you choose to do it yourself, learn the necessary steps to drain the fluid, set the correct oil level and dispose of old oil. You should also know which type of motor oil is best for your car, regardless of whether you change the oil yourself or take it to a service center. This generally means considering three things: the oil viscosity, whether to use synthetic versus non-synthetic oil, and your car's mileage. Check the fluids. There are several fluids that should be kept at the appropriate levels to help keep your car running properly. According to popular mechanics, you or your mechanic should check engine oil, coolant, power steering fluid, brake fluid, transmission fluid. A leak with any of these fluids can affect the way your car drives. If you spot a leak, you may be able to identify the fluid by its color. This can help you and your mechanic determine where the leak is coming from. It can also help speed up the repair process.
Test the lights. A broken or burnt-out bulb is a safety hazard and might get you a ticket. Learn how to thoroughly inspect each bulb on your car. If a bulb is out, take your car to an expert to determine whether it's the bulb or the fuse that needs replacing. Headlights are key safety lights on your car. Consider taking a few extra steps to help keep them shining bright, such as cleaning the lenses and replacing bulbs as they start to dim. Replace windshield wipers. If your wipers aren't working like they used to, don't let the problem linger. Damaged or worn-out blades can reduce visibility during a heavy rain or a snowstorm. Knowing how to inspect your wiper blades regularly and replace them when necessary is one way to help keep your car safe.
Alpine Motors, Canberra. Address: 22 Dundas Court, Philippines CT 2606, Australia. Call us 026282 2350. Email service@alpinemotorscanberra.com.au. Website https://www.alpinemotorscanberra.com.au